Ready.
Gotta get those shots on target. Gotta get those shots on target.
Yeah, that's how it goes.
Granted, I am probably the smallest opponent here.
I think your pill collider,
Yeah, the capsule collider is still fairly large. But no, you are correct. I do believe you are, in fact, the smallest competitor.
I might.
That gives you a...
You have to hit smaller.
Are you going to compete?
There you go. There you go.
Sure, why not?
All right, now that one is latency because
everyone you go
on my
against?
screen is fancy.
I'll be back.
Yeah.
Although, to be fair, you're the only other person that's ever been handed that.
Yeah, that would
With
be
great power comes great responsibility, Amt.
Why, thank you.
And then all that's left is just shoot the target.
He misses with it.
The sheriff's revolver doesn't save you from missing, I guess.
But alright.
Yep.
And my belt should be lower.
Damn, and he actually still just
can
had the
change it.
exact same issue. There must be a way in which you're doing that. Are you fanning or thumbing?
Thumbing.
You're thumbing it? Then perhaps it's the...
Wait. Okay. I
Oh,
thought
maybe
if
you're
I
hitting
held
them
it
both
down-
at the same time. Yeah. What
Maybe.
I do is I hold down the trigger and then I grab it and then I thumb it or fan it
Yeah,
like that.
yeah, that's the usual method.
If you were holding both at the same time, this is what would happen. You would not have a chance to bring it out even.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's not that. Oh,
Well,
it's a good
Actually, want to
thing
see
it was
hold
empty.
on, I want to see if that actually works.
That was.
if you're pulling the trigger
This is empty. You handed me an empty revolver. Oh no, I was just skipping all of the cylinders apparently.
maybe you're thumbing the revolver or pulling the trigger before you're thumbing the revolver. Yeah. Because I mean that would recreate what's happening.
Maybe.
That was rude. That was rude.
Yeah. I usually like have my finger down. Just as soon as I
No.
thumb it, it goes.
Actually, Mr. Neon, you're
What's
correct.
up?
That actually does work. You just have to be fast enough to make it work. Watch. Talk about major latency. I also missed.
Did I put my... Oh, I'm gonna try that again. If that works, that's a game changer.
Is breaking your arm legal? I don't know what's happening.
What? What just happened?
My crypto.
Wait, what are you testing?
Holding down both trigger and the secondary at the same time. Because
So-
Mr. Neon's correct. If you do that normally, it'll fire instantly when you grab it. But if you're fast enough, this is going to be an outlawed method. You can't do this in the tournament.
Yeah.
I'm actually
this is
surprised I never realized that you could do that before. Thank you for pointing that out.
I'm gonna try one more.
Because that's
we
basically instant.
Yeah.
Unless I miss.
Literally
Did it
just
click?
frame one.
I clicked, but yeah, I mean,
Shot right
I
next
feel like
to the
the only
foot.
way that you can make that work is if you're preemptively turning your wrist.
I'm not.
As...
I'm doing this. I'm going from here to here. I'm just
And you
doing
almost
it
had him that
rapidly
time.
enough that by the time it fires, I have it on target.
Okay.
Oh, that's okay. I got this.
I was like, what the fuck? What's going on? I got this. Conk.
I got this.
Oh.
Did it even shoot?
All right, we're not going to mention this technique to anyone else. We're not going to do
Yeah.
that. We're not going to do
You saw
that.
nothing.
we talking about?
Yeah, we're not going
Exactly.
to mention that technique to anybody else. There you are, Mr. Amt. Here's your revolver back, sir.
And here's yours.
Can I give it a shot?
Absolutely, it
Thank
would
you
be
very
my
much.
absolute pleasure to have you grace us with your. Who do we have here? George, why don't you get yourself a warm up?
All right.
And
Let me
you
enter the
Ow.
dueling zone. Oh,
Yeah, go ahead for frame rate's sake. Go ahead and click enter the dueling zone over there,
Ooh.
Lismic.
Couldn't even see.
There you are. Now, do you understand the concept? You can either draw and fan, or you can draw and thumb. It doesn't matter. You can do whichever you'd like.
Okay. Where do I stand?
You'll be on regulation at 6.4 meters. This stick here.
Okay.
Oh hey, yeah, the okay.
All right,
numbers
so
are back.
on the buzzer, not the initial sound, but on the secondary buzzer as you saw it going. And no, so you need to practice this.
Oh god. Yep, this is
Yeah,
gonna go
this
great.
is going to be in the tournament though, so you need to practice it. All right, Lismic,
Okay.
are you prepared?
Yes.
Good, good. All right. On your ready, George.
Alright, ready.
He missed the
You
draw.
missed.
Well done, though. Well done, though, Lismic. You ended up getting it. You ended up getting it. Now you just need to do that much faster, and there you are.
Hold on, let me put my hammer down. So I'm not cheating.
There you
I
go.
missed it.
Well done. Well done. You're getting it. You're getting the concept. Well done.
I don't know why I missed the draw that time.
Because it's difficult, and that's why we need to practice it. Doing from the cowboy surrender position
Hello.
and drawing, it's hard. It's hard. But it will be in the tournament, so you need to warm up on it.
I have your casserole dish ready to return at any point.
Oh,
Okay.
no worries.
You good?
Ready.
All right, here we go.
Thank you.
Of course.
Nice. He still missed the draw.
Oh,
You're doing very well, though, Lismic. Well done. Well done.
Yeah,
You are
you're
definitely
quick.
getting the concept.
Alright, ready.
All right, one more good one for you, George, and then we'll switch you out with someone else. You can do it, sir. I believe in you. Okay, all right. What you're doing, you're reaching too far back. You're grabbing
Yes.
like way back there, so don't grab
I
it
have-
quite so far back.
Let me scoot my holster, actually, because I
No,
moved
because
it.
now you're gonna ruin your normal draw.
Well, I moved it more forward this time as well. I don't know. Just like nudge it a very tiny bit. It's fine.
Well, you want to do one more then? One more?
Yeah, one more and then.
One more? Lismic,
Is
do you
that
prefer
alright?
mono or do you prefer Lismic?
you can call me Mono.
Mono. Would you good for one more there, Mono?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Actually, I'm gonna
Good to
stand
see
here
you.
and also watch what you're doing, so I can
see
give you
you
better
there.
tips. So on your ready,
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
please don't shoot
Oh
me.
my, I see.
Hey, man.
Ready.
Wonderful.
I had to make...
No, you nailed
Oh,
it that
you
time.
got me.
Good job. Good job.
Nice.
So you,
Yeah.
as I said, the previous
Once I
times
realized
you
I
were
was
you
reaching
were
way
reaching
far
too
back,
far
I
back.
stopped.
Yep.
I stopped my hand.
I had success
Closer.
turning the shadow
Okay.
One more?
falling to
One more?
0.
Yeah.
Now that
I
you
mean,
got
if
it,
it's
get you
alright.
locked in.
Working.
Yeah,
I
I'm
like
good
that
for
stance.
however
That
many.
stance is that's beautiful. That's absolutely. You know what?
Yeah, somebody get a picture.
There you go. That's beautiful. That's
That
absolutely
human
beautiful.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, I had to optimize my avatar because supposedly I was
Wait.
hurting people
Nope.
in here.
Too low. You were too low that
Apparently, my
time.
ethereal
Really?
Tentacles
Yes.
was lagging the living
You were
fuck
grabbing
out
the barrel of
everybody,
your
even
revolver.
when
Very
they were all-
distracted. I mean,
Okay.
Turned out mostly
You.
it was Dave's cameras.
I see.
Oh,
Yeah,
look,
you
I
were
don't think
far
I-
too
I
low.
don't think I
far
went
too
that low
low.
with my
ethereal
physical hand. Maybe it was a little. I
tentacles
don't know.
purely because it was
Oh well.
I mean, optimization
It's when you're doing
is
it,
never a bad
you know,
thing.
with speed
Yeah.
behind
You
it.
know.
Yeah, because the
This
controller
is
just
fun.
whips it. I know, right?
I'm glad you're having fun. Good.
This is
Good.
really cool.
Oh,
It is. This is a lovely project. I'm very proud of what we've created
Yes.
here.
Mm,
All right.
it's so much fun.
On your ready.
I've added emotes to this thing.
There you go. There you
I
go.
saw that you were smiling. I
And
was
you
good
traded
at
it.
that.
You traded with him. That was a very, very well
No,
done.
I crashed.
oh no.
Oh no.
Oh crap! The world is filling up quickly.
Yeah.
Yes.
You can't hear me, but yeah.
I am noticing that all
Mono,
of my
are you
frames
dead?
have left.
Ow. She
I
said
love
she was
eating
crashing.
20
They are dead.
frames.
I heard
They're
no
dead.
did I crash, and then they're gone.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think it was because,
absolutely
yep, they're
dying
dead.
in
All right,
here.
well, hopefully
Yep,
they'll come back.
yep.
What did
Rest
you
in
hit?
pepperonis.
Hello.
Oh yeah, let me.
Hello.
Shouting mode now.
Yes, everyone's joining
Oh,
in.
Lord.
Alright, there go my
I've
friends.
noticed,
Getting ready.
I've already pointed out the big
Tanked.
hitters with their
Valid.
avatars,
Yeah.
so
Tanking.
yeah. Well, 20 is not that bad.
Oh,
I'm gonna see what it's like in the dueling zone.
In the dueling zone, it's a lot better.
Yeah, it's a lot better in there. It's a lot better in there. That's why we built it.
He's already in the dueling zone. He can't hear us.
Oh, he's still struggling. He's still struggling?
I'm getting 50 frames in the dueling zone.
No, yeah, no, I told you the dueling. That's what it was built for. It was built for that exact purpose.
I guess the cameras were just bypassing all of that.
Yeah, no, definitely.
Okay.
That's what it's for.
Alright, okay.
It's so that you can get smooth frame rate while doing this.
I'm
Avalon.
getting, like, some significant
evening, it's
weird
good to see you.
fighting issues on the ground,
Always a
like off
pleasure.
the shadows.
All right, unfortunately,
Turned off
to see
the
you.
shadow.
Miss Mira, I'm going to
It still
have to
shows up even
request
if I
that you
turn
put
off
on a
the
different
shadows.
avatar, if you don't mind, please. We're going to have about 30 people here this evening. We really need every frame to count.
Yeah.
Hello.
I'm glad you could make it, Mr. Ora. I'm glad you could make it, Mr. Finney.
I'm running.
We've been helping.
New updated version of the bracket.
20
I did,
27
and
with
I already brought
lows
it
of,
out, and
like,
we were already
11.
testing it. Yes, we
Mine
were
was
already
like
testing
20
it. It looks
outside of
really
the
good.
cone
It looks
zone.
succinct, and it looks good to
Yeah.
go. Right. The good news is, kind of auspiciously
Oh,
by
sorry.
accident,
Yeah, let me
ended up
world
timing with the
settings,
day-night
user
cycle.
code
So
20.
at 8, when the tournament
you
actually
should have
starts, it will
10.
be sunrise. So it'll literally
I
be
should.
perfect timing.
Yeah.
But
That's beautiful.
it doesn't matter when I'm in
You
this
can still
Like,
dueling
I'm getting a
zone
bunch of
now.
weird
So.
flashing Z-Putty issues.
There are a
No, I
lot
can
of
just-
people rendering over here, so.
I will
As long as
be
I
right
can
back. I'm going to
speak
go
outside of the
bake
dueling zone,
non-driven
we're
body
good.
shapes, and that should help a little bit.
I mean, we can
could
see
measure
you.
that, but you're
Yeah.
probably
It
alright.
goes off of other people's things, but yeah.
If you want to further optimize, you got 30 minutes, Avalon.
I mean,
I
it's,
will be greatly disheartened if you aren't here to watch these wonderful people shoot each other in the face.
of course, I've got to give you all of my money.
Of
Is
course,
this
of
better
course.
solutions?
It appears to be, yes.
Got it.
I would need someone who's more familiar with how to measure that than I am.
So if you like get a terrible frame drop so to where your game completely freezes, is that just tough luck during the thing?
No, we'll
or...
avoid it. We'll avoid it.
Okay.
If we can see that the people are struggling, we will avoid that one and do a rego.
Okay. Because I'm getting
Remember,
random,
this
like
is the
completely just game freezes, but I'm able to look around and see everything.
That's
just
because
everyone
people are
freezes.
joining in and loading avatars. Once it smooths
Gotcha.
out, that should stop happening.
Okay, cool.
Remember, this is mostly for testing purposes anyways. This is the first tournament, so.
Good job. But then I left the world.
I can
and came
cull
back and
half
war
the
was
building.
lost again, and
I don't need to do that.
And you do have optimization settings inside your radial menu, sir. You have FPS toggles in the world settings. They help a little bit, anyways.
Yeah.
Blue, I'm glad you could be here, sir. I really am. I'm glad you could be here.